What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today we're using my Neapolitan style pizza dough to make a beautiful backyard barbecue chicken pizza. Let's do it. We're gonna kick things off for this barbecue chicken pizza by rolling out our dough. Now this is my Neapolitan style pizza dough. I just posted a full length video for this last week. Next week I'm gonna be doing my garlic cheesy bread, so stay tuned. As you can tell, I'm very much into my backyard pizza oven right now. If you also have gotten a pizza oven recently, they're really, really popular and a ton of fun. I hope these recipes will help you out. If you don't have a pizza oven in your backyard, you can do all of these recipes in your oven. You just need a pizza stone, and you can usually pick those up for about 20 bucks. So it's a great way to get started doing this kind of like Neapolitan style pizza at home, whether you have a pizza oven or not. But I do have to tell you, the pizza ovens are really fun. I'm gonna spread out my dough, get it onto my board, and start shaping it. I think this style of crust is one of the secrets to kind of getting that pizzeria style pizza. I also have a video for a grilled pizza dough. You can tell this dough is very delicate. My grilled pizza dough is a lot more substantial. It's a heartier dough. So if that's more your speed, is more of a grilled pizza that you want to cook like on your Weber or on your grill, you can check out that recipe as well. Once your dough is shaped, it's time to hit it with your toppings. And this is where that kind of barbecue chicken pizza really becomes a specialty, is because we get to use the best ingredients. So my apple jalapeno barbecue sauce is kind of my go-to for this barbecue chicken pizza, because we're going to tie in all of those flavors with the jalapenos in the sauce and some jalapenos on top of the pizza as well. You can grab a bottle of apple jalapeno sauce if you want at store.heygrillhey.com, or I have the recipe. You can make it from scratch at home if that's more your speed. All right, onto our sauce. We're going with some mozzarella cheese. This is a 3-cheese pizza, so it's a lot of varieties of cheese, but you don't need to go too heavy with the cheese. So mozzarella, shredded cheddar, and then I'll finish it off with some Parmesan on top of everything. All right, shredded chicken, you can use rotisserie chicken if that's what you've got. We've got some leftover smoked chicken, so we've got a little bit of my sweet rub seasoning on there as well. And then some red onions and some pickled jalapenos. You can go as spicy as you want. One of the nice things with pickled jalapenos is you can buy super spicy ones, or you can buy super mild ones. Or if you want to make your own pickled jalapenos at home, I've got a recipe for that too. Top that off with some of this finely shredded Parmesan, and we're ready to go to the pizza oven. I have my pizza oven preheated. Typically I run this Neapolitan style dough between 650 and 750 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll take about 3 minutes total for this pizza to cook. I will be turning it every 90 seconds or so. If you're doing this in your oven in your kitchen on a pizza stone, it'll probably take longer, maybe like 4 to 5 minutes, because your pizza oven's probably gonna be clocking around 400 to 450 degrees. All right, my pizza slides easy. That means it's time to head to the pizza oven. Once it's out, I like to finish it with a little bit more of this barbecue sauce, because I like mine a little extra saucy, and it looks so great. Give your pizza a couple minutes after it comes off the grill to kind of rest, and then it's time to slice and eat. Oh, just hearing the crunch of that dough makes me happy. This is when you're glad that you didn't overload it with cheese or too many toppings. This is a thin pizza crust, but it holds up. We've got really nice, beautiful brown spots on the bottom. The flavor of that apple jalapeno barbecue sauce with the pickled jalapenos and the chicken and the cheese, that might be like the perfect bite of pizza. You can grab a printable version of this recipe, including the dough and the sauce and the jalapenos, on heygrillhey.com. We'll see you guys next time.